Noah was super excited. It was his birthday, and he couldn't wait for his presents. But then, Grandpa gave him a tiny box. Noah opened it, and it was empty. Noah, Grandpa, there's nothing inside. Grandpa, smiling, oh, but there is. It's an invisible gift. Something strange was happening. Every time Noah was kind, the box felt heavier. But when he was unkind, the gift vanished. Noah, the greatest gifts aren't things. They are kindness, respect, and gratitude. Noah smiles and starts being kind again. The box glows the brightest ever. Noah finally understood. The greatest gifts are the ones we cannot see but always feel.